You guys, is this in focus? I'm sick. But I'm back and I got a new camera. How cute are these sweats? For a sick gal, you gotta admit, I look pretty cute, huh? Right, Marty? You think I look cute? Today we announced that my hair looks very funny. Today we got to announce mine and Jesse's collaboration with Marc Jacobs. We've only shown the inside thing that says Jesse and Devon, ex Marc Jacobs. We're doing a shirt for their lovers collection. I'm so excited. And I guess I might as well show you because it's probably gonna be up by the time I post this, but how fucking cute. It's got chrome handcuffs that say forever. Because we're together forever. I'm so excited. It's seriously like dream come true vibes. I don't know, it just doesn't feel real. Like when I posted it on my Instagram, like it's kind of started setting in that like my name is on a Marc Jacobs shirt with my boyfriend. I'm very excited, very sick. Not really. Yesterday I like couldn't even get out of bed, but I'm on antibiotics now, so we're going good. Home is looking very bare. I want to get back into my home decorating mode, but just after the holidays, I've been taking it very easy. All of my friends went to fucking opening ceremony today. The opening ceremony in LA is closing, which I seriously am in denial about. Like, it's one of my favorite places to shop in LA and it's closing and I'm so sad about it. My friends went today because they were having a sale and they got so much stuff and I'm sitting here and I'm like, well, fuck, I'm sick, and like the longer I wait, the less stuff is gonna be there. So I'm making tea. All my friends told me not to come because I'm sick, but you know what? I have a shopping addiction, so let's come to this. See you guys there and I'll let you know if I get anything. Happy Monday. Usually for the first hour of my day recently, it's been rough, I'm not gonna lie. My throat is killing me and my head feels like the worst headache I've ever had, but I'm getting through it. I just posted my St. Bart's vlog, which I'd been sitting on for some time, but I just got in the mood and I was like, post it, it's gonna be up, and everyone's been wanting it, and like, it's Monday, so a fresh start to the week. I don't know. And I'm just gonna try to like not be sick. What is this lighting? You guys clearly don't watch this for the lighting. Last night I had a really fun time. We went to like, the Grammys were last night and some of our friends had like after parties, so we got to go, and I don't know, Jesse and I haven't really been going out like that, so I got to go out for the first time in a while and it felt really good. I just like had a really good time. I really liked my outfit and I feel like I'm 100% wearing it again because I didn't get that good of pics, and I wore maybe my favorite dress, one of my top 3 favorite dresses I've ever worn. I have a story about this dress now because I posted the shitty pictures I took on my phone last night. I posted them on my story, and this is the dress I wore. It's like a silk sheer Moschino. When you look at it against my hand, you can actually see what it is, but it's all these like patches and different collages of, I don't know, logos mixed with patches, mixed with just nostalgic fucking cuteness, and the fit of it is so cute, and it's just Moschino and it's beautiful, and the silk is so nice, and I'm just obsessed with it. Like when I saw this dress, I freaked out because I got it at Wasteland, which is, if you don't know what Wasteland is, it's like a secondhand store, and it's a hit or miss always, but I feel like I've been getting some hits there recently. I got that dress from there and I posted it on my story. It's taking a long time for me to get to the point here. Posted that dress on my story. My friend Mark replied and he was like, did you buy that from Wasteland? And I was like, yeah. He's like, I sold it to Wasteland. And I was like, what? So now I just love it even more than I knew I could because it's my friend's old property and now I own it. So I knew there was a reason that I love that dress so much. Because he had messaged me, I was like, fuck, I really want to go to Wasteland. There's 2 locations in LA. So I want to go to one of them because I haven't been in a while. And I need to get out of the house because I'm losing my mind. Second I got in my car, I got a headache. I don't feel so good. Just an update. Thought I'd fill you in so you can know the energy I'm going into this with. At the party last night, this guy only kept saying period. Nicole looked at me and she's like, he just keeps saying period. He wouldn't say anything. He just kept going period. It was hilarious. I tried on so many things, but because I was a salty queen, I only liked 2. Got this cute top. The woman is literally watching me do this right now. Hey girl. Then I got this. Vintage. I need to fix the button. Just kind of, both of these were honestly kind of overpriced and I was not having it, but when I feel this shitty and like don't like feel like I look good, I will, any clothes that like actually make me feel good in that moment, that's a true test. I'm like, wow, so these actually do look really good on me. Because it's not like I'm having a good day and everything's gonna look good on me. It's like I'm not feeling too hot, and like these clothes actually made me look at myself in the mirror and I was like, you kind of look cute. And yet I'm like this person right now. I'm only getting worse as the day's going on. I'm gonna make one of my specialty dishes that Jessie loves. Fuck, we don't have the good beans. Damn it, this really ruins everything. I was gonna make a bean and cheese quesadilla. I don't really like these beans. I might as well use them. I don't want to waste them. But will it be satisfying? Stay tuned. I'm gonna make this quesadilla and I'll let you know. Verdict's in. Quesadilla looks terrifying. Don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, but I do have chips and the beans I made. So I'm just gonna go for dipping the tortilla chips in the beans and also in the salsa. I'm happy with this. I also think I should start reading this again because Lauren Elizabeth mentioned this book years ago. When I first moved out, this was the first book I bought and I remember being like, I live on my own now and I'm only gonna buy healthy food. Okay, sis. But it was an actually good book, so I'm gonna rethink it. I'm gonna go watch RuPaul's Drag Race for the 100th time. Okay. Good night, you guys. I haven't left my apartment since last time you saw me. I'm going to take a nice bath, lay down, and then... Do you want to see Pumpkin tomorrow morning? Are you perfect? Okay, let's go to bed. Okay, see you tomorrow. I just showered. Jessie's still asleep. I'm taking a wellness shot. Punky. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Good one.
Say hi, Char-Char.
Pumpkin, stay away from Charlie.
Charlie's just sweet.
Oh, Pumpkin. We have been working all morning, right, Dad?
Yes, Devon.
Been on calls and doing stuff. Go, Marty.
Website design.
New website design. Good boy, Char-Char. Charlie has to wear a diaper because he pees everywhere. Gonna let the dogs go to the bathroom. Haven't really been outside in some time, so just gonna sit outside. We have an office, but I tend to be very distracting. So I work best at home with my dad. So we're doing that right now. A lot of wildflower stuff. I have a lot of new design ideas in the bank, but my dad likes to design really early in the morning, and we just had calls all morning, so I don't know if we're really gonna design right now. But we just have a lot of stuff coming up. Month of February, I feel like I'm gonna be traveling a lot, and I'm very excited and trying to plan everything because we got a lot of stuff coming up. I hate that this vlog is also like only me. So maybe I'll hang out with some friends later so you don't have to only listen to me talk. It's kind of annoying. Charlie's 14. He doesn't get much airtime because he doesn't really like it. He's a very awkward dog. He's only given me a kiss once in his entire life. And I think it was an accident. Now my parents are gone, but it was a great work day. I got a lot done. We have so many new wildflower collabs this year that I'm like actually really excited about. Couldn't go meet Jaylee at the gym. And I will not be vlogging at the gym. Sorry. I'm at the Merrill's house. We're wearing matching pants. Woo! Jaylee's making skinny margaritas. Leopard forever. We just made this beautiful guacamole.
I remember when your dad and Jason used to tell your mom and I that when we buy everything leopard, they'd be like, that's gonna be so out. And like,
They've always said that.
And I'm like, really? Because I had my leopard pillows like 25 years later. And they're still in style.
My mom has leopard bedding still.
Oh my gosh, we're having chips.
We're having siete chips with delicious guac, and we tried to make plantain chips, but the plantains were
I'm right.
a little not ripe. Doesn't ripe sound like the word you would say when they're not ripe?
Yeah.
And Jaylee made these vegan taquitos. What are these tortillas, Jay? They're siete gustava flour tortillas. Gustava. Cassava. Cassava. Cassava with the V. Oh, cassava.
Yeah.
Very
Alexa, set a second timer for 15 minutes.
Yeah, Alexa, do it, you bitch.
First, you're gonna want to juice the limes.
What does that mean?
We roll them so that they get super juicy.
Oh.
Would you like to squeeze?
Yeah.
Okay, just squeeze it in there. That one has a lot left in it. So we're gonna have some Patron Silver.
We're drinking Patron Silver.
A double shot glass.
Tequila. I'm drunk off margaritas and Patron.
It's pretty strong stuff. 2 shots of Patron.
Ooh! Oh! Smell is
So you're gonna wanna, I know,
rancid.
roll another lime.
Roll another lime for me.
We don't need that
country
one.
girl.
We're gonna just go with this one for now.
Alright, we're just going with those ones for now.
So stop lending money to people.
You know that meme of the guy with his head about to explode and it's like really red?
That was just me. We're gonna do a little club soda.
Very good chips.
This one happens to be a cherry flavor, but it's very mild, so you can't really taste it.
Okay.
Little like Perrier style.
Black cherry? Alright, going with it.
I've had it before.
Going with it.
I'm gonna just do a splash of this baby. Light margarita mix. Usually I use an organic one, but we're out. So we're gonna just do a little splash for each of us.
So both of them have new. No,
It's kind of spilling. I know.
But what do you want us to do?
I'm shaking it normally. All over the sink.
Oh no.
Look at
Yeah,
that
very
shit.
even. Gorgeous. We're not done.
Grand Marnier.
Grand Marnier.
Top your margaritas off. This could be terrible. It's actually really good. Very tart, but very good.
I like it.
I do
I like my margaritas very tart. Our Marc Jacobs shirt released today. Also, I'm wearing the same outfit I wore yesterday. These are celebratory. Our Marc Jacobs shirt that released this morning already sold out. I was so worried no one was gonna buy it. This French toast is really good, Mom.
Daddy was like, I'm not sure about the bread.
I like it.
It's like healthy French toast.
I mean, kinda. Jesse and I aren't even together right now. That's this. If there's one bad thing about this morning, it's that we are together. I have so much wildflower work to do, and Jesse's working until like 1 a.m. at the studio. So if I'm gonna explain my schedule so you can understand the breakdown, so no, I don't know why I feel the need to explain myself to you guys, but if you wanted insight on how our relationship works, sometimes I usually will fall asleep at like 10, 11. Jesse won't get done work until 1. And on days like this where I have a lot of wildflower work to do, I usually need to be at my parents' house by like 8 or 9, and Jesse won't even wake up till like 10. So I might as well just sleep here so I don't have to drive. And then when I'm finished, I can go back home and be able to see him for a little bit before he leaves for a studio. So he's asleep right now. Like, I've literally called him 100 times trying to be like, our shirt's sold out. He hasn't even woken up. He's gonna freak out. But yeah, I posted it and it sold out 10 minutes after I posted it. I just am so happy that people are buying them. Like, you guys are crazy. I'm really trying to be in the moment and like soak us in, because it's crazy. I can't wait to see Jesse and hug him. 2020's for the girls. My friend Dylan Schenfeld told me 2020's for the girls, and I think 2020's for the girls. We've confirmed it. I haven't even been vlogging, you guys. I got too distracted by the love of my life. Cheers. Happy collab day.
Amen.
Right, Marty?
Marty, you are our first good collab, buddy. I'm very happy. I'm very lucky to be part of this.
Whoa! Your face. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god, the schnozberries fucking taste like schnozberries.
Dude, these are hilarious.